All of this time, I've wanted one, and now it's here. What's going on, guys? Nick5 here, and today we are reviewing this Rubik's Cube. Just kidding. We are reviewing this Fidget Cube thing. Okay, let's get started. Woohoo! Okay, so let's start opening it. There's a piece of tape on the front. Just cut that. Get it down in here. There we go. Got it open. Alrighty. So we got it open. So yeah. Okay, so let's get this out. I can't. Oh my god! I think my fingers are stuck. Oh, there it goes. I guess. Just came right out. Anyway, look. I was trying to get it out. I'll show you an instant replay here in a second, but oh crap. Yeah. Look. My fingers were stuck inside of this, and I was trying to get it off, and it came out. So here, I'm going to show you the replay. Okay, since you saw that, let's actually do this. Alright, first you got to gently take it out. Who cares about... Who cares about gently? Just came right out. Yeah. Okay, I just heard a car beeping outside. It was like beep, 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 beep. I don't know why. It just makes me think of that song. Anyway, and plus I've been thinking about that all day. So, here it is. Let's try. All right, what's the first thing? The first thing is click it. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably backwards. So this first one up here, and that's this one. There should be 2 buttons that do not click, and 3 buttons that do. Alright, these are the 2 that do not click. The ones that do click are the ones up here on the left side. Straight through the middle. It's supposed to make you feel like you're clicking a pen, apparently. I don't know. It's supposed to make you feel like you're clicking a pen. Okay, number 2 is spin it. So let's go ahead and spin it. This one's the spin it. It has a little thing right here where you hold it and you spin it around. Those of you who are members from school, I am bringing this tomorrow. If anybody, you know, if you're not interested, that's fine. Okay, so number 3 on here is roll it. That is this one. It's supposed to be like a password thing. Ooh, that feels nice. That ball. That feels so good on my finger. I'm done. I love this cube. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, now it's better. It's not going to stand up. I mean, it's not going to fall. Now. Oh, that feels so good. I like this ball one so much. Oh, it's my favorite one. Wonder if the cat's in the room with me. Alright, so far, we've done click it. Spin it. and roll it. I think yeah, it's roll it. Oh, you got these things down here. So good. Feels like you're eating pizza. Done. I'm done. I'm done. Hear me, I'm done. Oh wow. It has my reflection. It's so cool. I don't know if you can see that or not. Number 4 is flip it. It's right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's flip it. So that's this one. I don't think you're supposed to do it like this. I think you're supposed to do it with your thumb. Gosh, I am bringing this to school tomorrow. I'm going to just sit in the classroom. By the way, I love all 34 of you people. This is supposed to give you the feeling of like a light switch or something. It's like a passcode. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Which is glide it. So that's this one. Control. Oh, you can press it. You can move it around. It's kind of like this one, except it doesn't press inwards. I like it. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah. Let's move on to the last one, which is Fidget It. Yeah, it's called. It says Fidget. I know, it's so blurry. Come on. Focus. Come on, focus! Maybe. Sometimes this works. No. Who cares? It says Fidget. It's probably too small for the camera to pick up, but it says Fidget. And that's this one. I don't know what it's supposed to do. I think it's supposed to feel good. Whoa. My lamp was that close to falling. It was like that. It was that much off the edge. And my lampstand is about that big. Yeah, my lampstand is that big. It was off the edge by there. Oh, this feels so good. Yes. Yeah. Alright, so time for ratings. Click it. I give it a whopping 8 out of 10. And the spin it, I don't know, I'd say a 5 out of 10. The roll it, oh my gosh, not
That's what I like. That's what I like.
I'm being honest. I can't stop. It fell and it went under my drawer. Alright, so I just got this thing. Yeah, we got the last 2, me and my brother. I'll show you what my brother's looks like. I guess right now. Excuse me, I said right now. Oh my gosh. I said right now. Oh, there it is. I know you all saw that. You might have. I don't know. Did you? I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, this is my brother's. Oh. This is his compared to mine. Which one do you like better? Leave it in the comments. You can't even see this one on this one. Which one do you like better? Leave it in the comments below. Daniel's, Toast Lords, or Nick 2 for Probabries? Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, let's continue. Okay. So Click It was 8 out of 10. Spin It was 5 out of 10. Roll It, what was that one? How could I forget that one? That was 10 out of 10. Alright, let's try Flip It. I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
That's what I like.
Pretty good. Glide It. I like it, so I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. I mean, it's better than the Spin It, I think it is. Yeah, it's Spin It. And the last one is Fidget It. It feels really good on my thumbs. You guys aren't going to believe this, but I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. A 7 out of 10. Yeah. So it's time for the outro. Hope you got. That just slipped out of my hands. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Of course, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Because I was due. Kitty. Bye-bye. Now he wants to come say hi. Say goodbye. He just rubbed up against it.